Thomas, welcome to this
Hi.
video. Thank you very much for taking the time today. Thomas, you're the CEO and founder of Kleverkey. Can you share a little bit about what Kleverkey is?
Yes, hello. Thanks for having me. So my name is Thomas. I'm, as you already mentioned, founder of Kleverkey, and we are providing our customer a cloud-based access control system, so smart locks. And yeah, our USP compared to others is that we follow a direct-to-customer approach, and we established a service-oriented revenue model. Yeah, so that is it basically in a nutshell.
Cool. Who is your ideal customer profile? Who are you targeting?
Um, SMBs, so between 10 and approximately 200 employees. So this is our ICP. Additionally, also interesting are co-working spaces or sport clubs. Yeah.
Cool. Cool. And in what stage is your company right now?
We are in a growth state. So yeah, we have a lot of customers already, a lot of shipped and installed locks, and we are really working hard now to scale. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, Thomas, what I was wondering about, we started working together around 12 months ago, I think even a little bit longer. Back then, what were the challenges you were facing?
Yeah, we started building our first digital marketing channel, and it seems that we already had a kind of a product market fit, but we wanted to scale, and we found out that we need additional experience and also skills and just people helping us by validating those channels and just bring us further from there because we thought that we need just more tools, more experience, and also improve our data foundation because this has to be the basis for everything.
Cool.
And
So, yeah. So data foundation was a very specific challenge you had, I remember. Are there like any other specific challenges which you remember that you'd like to highlight?
maybe you can remember something additional.
Yeah, of course. I mean, we touched up on like a lot of different aspects, right? Starting from like redefining message market fit, right? Improving then entire conversion on the website, working
Yeah,
on this
sure.
lead to
Yeah.
MQL conversion part. A lot of different aspects we then dived into. But it was really, as you said, right? It was like putting the right foundational pieces into place in marketing, in sales, in tracking, so that you're really truly getting ready
Yeah,
for scaling.
this is what we found out after you joined us. So then we found out a lot of things we have to improve, and but before we entering into the collaboration, this
Yeah.
was the case. Yeah.
Yeah, true. Cool. Now then as we started like talking together, learning more about your challenges, showing you like how we work with clients, what were reasons that you decided to join the program and to get going with this?
We were aware that there is something like growth hacking, which you need to really grow, to really grow, and we knew each other already, and I was aware of the fact that you have a lot of experience, and so this is the reason we joined this program because I really knew that we need additional manpower and additional skills, and
Yeah,
this
cool.
was perfect fit in my eyes. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Nice. Well, then let's get to the most interesting part, right? As we started collaborating together, I already give it a little bit away before on the topics we started tackling, but going throughout the collaboration, what were some of the biggest aha moments you had that were really crucial and decisive for you?
Yeah. So yeah, we started the collaboration. Then we did some also small tweaks on the website, and maybe also some bigger changes. And it was really interesting how you can change the conversion rate just by small changes. And it was also really nice to see what you can do when you have a proven or a solid data foundation, and if you're able to measure the outcome of your experiments. And so this was really a aha moment, that we can measure everything really precisely, because we already had a kind of traffic. So there was a lot of traffic on our website. So we got data, and it was really nice to see that we can measure, do some experiments, and see the impact, and then working
Absolutely.
on that. So yeah.
Absolutely. I also remember you were like a very proactive, very efficient team. So we were rather quick in like building the pirate funnel model so that we could like track your channels end to end. After we read out like your biggest challenges there, we started like running experiments. After the first 6 months, what were some of the greatest achievements you had?
Yeah, so we were able to increase a couple of conversion rates, like the lead to MQL conversion rate, because this has to do a lot with what you are telling the leads on the website. So we were able to increase those conversion rates dramatically. And we were also working on the sales process then, because in the first step we took care on the marketing process, and then in the next step on the sales process, and we really worked on the process, and we were able to also increase the lead to customer conversion rate then.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Yeah, I remember like I think especially this very data-driven approach on running like the specific experiments and measuring the detailed impact was something that you really embedded in your culture. Now it's 12 months since we started working. After 6 months, you went on your own. You continued doing this. How have the things you learned in the program, the frameworks, the approaches you implemented, shaped your company still today?
So the good message is that we still run experiments. We are still using the pirate funnel, which we established during the program. So we still track everything. And that's really in our culture, in our DNA, because, yeah, of course, we are engineers. We are, at least a lot of our employees, they are really data driven. They're engineers. They know how to deal with numbers and figures, and it was already in our DNA, but we are using it now also in the marketing and sales process, this data-driven approach. And yeah, we are still running experiments and track our conversion rates. And the good thing is that it's still improving, or it's still growing.
Well, super nice to hear that you're still applying all those tactics and then you really embedded this culture of experimentation and growth hacking. Now, I remember like after the 6 months working together, you actually achieved astonishing results and you quadrupled your monthly revenue already within the first 6 months. Now you're continuing this track. What are some other key metrics which you achieved in the meanwhile?
Yeah, we were continuing improving the revenue, so by 30%, another 30% now in 2022. And another key metric, number of new customers. So we were able to double number of new customers in the second quarter of 2022. So this is also a great KPI.
Nice. Now, Thomas, to anyone who is now in a similar state that you were maybe 12 months ago and is thinking about like getting some support, joining such a program, is there anything you'd like to highlight to such a person?
Yeah, so the first thing, it's really a great team. It really makes fun working together with you and your team. So, but because this is really important, even in B2B, you're working with people, and it makes more fun to work with friendly and funny people than working together with people you don't like. So this is really important, because then you're motivated and achieve great goals. And the other thing is that I think that every company in a SaaS business could improve by working together with you, because I think you really have special knowledge in your team in the area of growth hacking, and this is, I think, still not so widely spread, this knowledge. So I think it would make sense for a company in a similar area to work together with you, just to improve the figures and the conversion rates. Yeah.
Cool. Nice. Thomas, thank you very much for taking the time today. It's very interesting to just hear your story again. I hope other companies can also learn from that. And I know already that we're going to see you very soon. Have a good day.
Sure. Thanks. Same to you.